See if the artichoke sprouted. Oh, nothing. It's a mess out here. See if the artichoke sprouted today. Gotta be today. Nothing. I know what I'll do. I'll organize my seeds alphabetically. Why would anyone organize their seeds alphabetically? I gotta quit watching YouTube videos.
You got some mail.
Seed catalogs! Yeah, I definitely want that. New zucchini? Oh, I'm getting that. I only have like 4 varieties. Let's get another. Oh my gosh. This is the cutest trellis I have ever seen. I definitely want this. Definitely. It comes in 3 colors. Oh my gosh. Look at that tomato support. That might actually work. I have to have this. I have to have it. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. You know, I've totally been thinking this is such a good idea. I mean, it's our plant, it's our food security. I mean, how could I not buy it? It's only $700. Maybe they're dead. $700? I could build this with twigs and baling wire. Ugh. I mean, who would even spend that? So anyways, let me tell you what happened when I went to the store. So there was totally this lady in line in front of me. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of nonsense. Hope it cheered up your day. Whereas gardeners are going crazy. It's still dead of winter here. I can't even start broccoli seeds at the moment. So, and I'm sure I'm not the only one that talks to their houseplants. So anyway, happy gardening, you guys. Remember, life's a garden. Dig it.